In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this super cute beaded shamrock. It takes just 2 types of materials and just a minute or 2 to make, and this is a great mess-free craft for a class party or a little St. Patrick's Day party, or you can hang a bunch of them up as a garland. So let's make one together. To make our beaded shamrock, you're just going to need 2 different things. The first thing you'll need are some pipe cleaners, just 2 pipe cleaners. Now, I have the fuller size 12-inch kind. You can use the half size that they sell too. You'll just have a smaller shamrock, just as a side note. You'll need 2 of them. They come in solid colors, or I have these glittery metallic ones. Totally up to you, whatever you'd like to use. And then you'll also need some beads. Now, I wanted to keep it extra festive for St. Patrick's Day, and I did just shades of green. You can do any colors you like, whatever beads that you have on hand, okay? So this is really easy. All you're gonna do is take your 2 pipe cleaners and you're gonna create an X, okay? Then you're gonna take your 1 pipe cleaner and fold it over the other one, and kind of fold it back up to make a twist. So they're kind of connected now, okay? Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your first pipe cleaner. Now you have kind of like a plus shape here. You're gonna take your first, these are like wheel spokes. You're gonna take your first one and you're gonna bend it up, and then you're going to twist it, okay? This is gonna be the stem of our shamrock, okay? Then for your other 3, we're going to add some beads on here. So just add as many beads as you like. Now, if you add beads more spaced out, you'll see more of the pipe cleaner. The more beads that you add onto here, the denser it will be with beads. But if you want to let some of that pipe cleaner show, you can, like I'm doing here. Okay, so go ahead and add your beads onto all 3 of these little leaves that they're going to eventually end up being. Okay, now I have all different sizes. These kind with a larger opening are called pony beads. You can buy them in big bags at the craft store. I also have some smaller beads here. You might want to test them out before you start to make sure they can fit onto your pipe cleaner. And then I also had some extra wood beads from some different projects. Okay, so we're just putting beads on here, and I'm on my 3rd one. Just keep adding beads on. And this one's a little bit smaller and more snug. And I like to mix up the colors. You can keep them all the same shade of green if you prefer. I like to kind of mix and match a little bit. Okay, now we're going to hold the stem and we're going to bend this down towards our stem, leaving yourself a little tail, and take that tail and just kind of twist it onto the stem. Okay, just like that. Then you're going to take your top one and you're going to do the same thing. Bend it into a loop, leaving a little tail. See, I have a little tail here, and we're going to twist it on to the stem. Then we're going to take the 3rd one and we're going to bend it into a loop as well. And this is the time too where you can kind of match it up. So this one's a little bit bigger, so I'm going to just leave a little bit bigger of a tail so I can make my loop a little bit smaller. And you're going to take that last tail and twist it right onto the stem, just like that. Now you can get a little fancy and make your stem have a little curl on it to be a little bit more decorative. And then the last thing you'll want to do is sort of arrange your beads how you like them to be on your shamrock. So I want to kind of slide them around a little bit and position them. And then to make them look extra festive, what you can do is put a little dent in the top like this and just kind of cinch them. You can put a little dent here, just kind of make, it's almost like a heart shape. So just kind of put a little, like a little divot in there. And then you can kind of push down in the middle here and create a little dent like that. And then you can kind of pull them out, make the little leaves look a little fuller. I gave the stem a nice little curly cue just to kind of make it a little bit more decorative. And that's it. That's our beaded shamrock. It only takes a minute or 2 to make, and it's so cute and festive. You can hang a bunch of these as a garland, give them away as party favors, and it also makes a nice mess-free class craft as well. So that is how you make a beaded shamrock. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure and click the subscribe button to get all the latest Sparkle and Splatter video updates. Bye everyone!